Spick and span. Very clean and tidy. My room is spick and span after cleaning. The kitchen looked spick and span. Aches and pains. Small body pains and discomfort. Grandpa often has aches and pains. After the long hike, I had aches and pains. Trial and error. Learning by trying different ways until one works. I learned to bake by trial and error. We fixed the computer by trial and error. Mix and match. To combine different things so they look good together. You can mix and match different sofa cushions. The chef mixed and matched many fresh ingredients. Hearth and home. Home and family, a warm, safe, and comfortable place. Nothing is better than hearth and home. They returned to their hearth and home after vacation. Pick and choose. To carefully select the things you want. You can pick and choose any book from the shelf. She picked and chose the best apples at the market. Pride and joy. Someone or something you love very much and are very proud of. His beautiful garden is his pride and joy. He showed everyone his classic car, his pride and joy. Bits and pieces. Small parts or small amounts of different things. I found bits and pieces of the broken toy. The puzzle was scattered into bits and pieces. Laughter and tears. Happy and sad moments together. The movie was full of laughter and tears. The family shared laughter and tears during the reunion.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!